In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google and Wix to effectively set up your online presence. This guide is perfect for entrepreneurs, small business owners, or anyone looking to establish a professional website with seamless integration between Google services and Wix. Let's start by launching your web browser and typing in Wix in the Google search bar. As simple as hitting enter, this will direct you to the Wix website homepage, where your journey begins. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the main menu. Look for the Product tab and click it. This section provides a comprehensive overview of all the offerings that Wix has and sets the stage for what you'll be able to accomplish with your new website. After familiarizing yourself with the products, the next step is to hit Get Started. This button is typically prominent on the homepage, and clicking it will guide you through the initial phases of account creation. For those who like efficiency, Wix allows you to sign in using existing credentials from platforms you already use. Opt for Continue with Google, which streamlines the process by utilizing your Google account, reducing the need to remember another username and password. Following your Google sign-in, you'll be prompted to click on Continue. This action will seamlessly integrate your Wix and Google accounts. From here, the platform offers you options to set up without chat. Choose this to dive directly into building your website and skip any unnecessary interactions. Quickly skipping to the dashboard is essential if you want to get down to business without delay. You'll find the Skip to Dashboard option as you proceed. This feature efficiently propels you to the core of your new website setup, eliminating any unwanted detours. Now, here's where you begin to define your business, starting with selecting a category on Wix. Let's choose Restaurant, which subsequently leads you to Family Restaurant, a niche designed for eateries with a communal vibe. Selecting these helps Wix tailor your website specifically to your needs, using industry-specific templates and settings. Once you establish your category and business type, click Continue to advance. This transitions you to a page with options like Highlight, which helps you emphasize key features of your website. Then move on to setting up a business email by clicking Get Business Email. A professional email not only helps in branding, but also ensures streamlined communication. Next, you want to add items to your menu by selecting Add Item. This capability allows you to showcase your offerings directly on the website, which is crucial for converting visitors into paying customers. Following this, click on Sales to manage your offerings actively. It's key for tracking and enhancing your business transactions through the website. Finally, you'll want to finish by clicking Set up your payment methods and Design your website. These actions lock in how your business will conduct transactions and appear online. Even further, you can click Get Found on Google to optimize visibility and searchability, completing your integration with Google and boosting your online presence. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Wix and Google for a robust online presence.